morning, my YouTube family. John Viet here, back with a brand new video. Today's video, I'm going to be cleaning this property right here. So we're going to start with the house, then we're going to clean the floors, and in the back there will be like a little enclosed cage that you guys will see. So I got this job through my Facebook ads, and I've literally was thinking myself on the way here that I haven't really sat down to catch my breath. I've been working, and it's all because of the Facebook ads. And when I do the Facebook ads, I pop up a yard sign. So it's really as simple as that. So if you guys want to learn and have me teach you and train you on a one-on-one call, send me a text message at 843-888-2371, and we'll jump on a free strategy call, and I'll kind of explain how I can help you. So first off, we go over and I show you kind of how to utilize Facebook and really grow your audience and get some business coming in, and then we set up your Facebook ads. So hit me up, 843-888-2371. Also, I've got some new equipment that I can't wait to show you guys, and I'm excited to get back and create some brand new content for you guys. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into the video, and I'll see you guys at the end.